How to fix your account has been flagged for potential abuse in ChatGPT, or the access denied issue. Now, without any further ado, let's move into the video. But before we start, please keep in mind that this method might not work 100%, and it is best if you just wait till you get the access back. But if you're desperate to use the software application, then here are a few things that you can try. So the first thing to do is to clear the OpenAI related cookies. For that, open up your web browser and tap on the three dots in the upper right corner right here and select Settings. Now once you land on the settings page, click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down a bit and select Cookies and Other Site Data under Privacy and Security. Again, scroll down and tap on See All Site Data and Permissions. Now search for OpenAI related cookies by typing down OpenAI in the search bar right here and click on the bin-like icon to clear it. Tap on Clear. And with this, your OpenAI or ChatGPT cookies would be cleared. Now, another method is you can try using VPN such as Hotspot Shield VPN. You can use the free trial, or you could also use the paid version if you like. So once you've done this, try logging into your ChatGPT account once again and you should be good to go. So that's it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix your account has been flagged for potential abuse in ChatGPT. I really hope this video will help you out, and thank you for watching till the end.